is Monday. I am just about to start the first step of this project, which I took a few notes on. This is one of the items I got from the Goodwill store. I cleaned it up. I sanded the edges down just a little bit, and I'm going to apply a coat of paint over it, decoupage it, and we're going to turn it into this. And I'm using the DecoArt Chalky Finish paint. While I paint this, I am going to just mention a couple of things about my ebook, Successful Decoupage Every Time. You probably noticed my paint lid was stuck on there a little bit. So I was going to mention that with my ebook, first of all, the book is $4.99. And it has links in it back to videos because I have close to 400 videos now on YouTube. So occasionally someone will write me, not occasionally, daily, people will write me. They'll ask me how to do something. Now, some people want step-by-step instructions, which I would love to be able to take the time to answer everyone, but I can't. So what I did was I took the most common questions that I got, responded on the last page of the book. It's only about 14 pages, by the way. And I put links back to videos to help you walk right through the projects. So that is what is going on with the ebook. If you've got any questions about it, feel free to ask me on my Facebook page, Upcycle with Decoupage. So in the meantime, I'm going to put the rest of the video to music. The links will be down below. Thank you so much for subscribing, for your comments. You know, I read your comments the first week that I put the video out. I read your comments and I respond. Usually it's just a quick hello or thank you or what have you, but I love reading all of your comments and questions. Thank you so much, guys. And now I will put the video to music.